The demand is there, and we're running out of donuts.
So we're gonna get you some fresh ones whipped up right here. Eugene, let's build these, buddy. Let's build these ones.
No, those ones are not good. Do not use those.
I see the lineup, and all I know is that we need to get these donuts done and ready and served to these people immediately.
I'm thinking of a cake donut, but we're gonna make it look like a bagel. We need to be innovative, so it's gonna look like breakfast, but it's gonna taste like a donut. Candied bacon, a fake egg, and then we're gonna also use the glaze on the inside of the cake so it looks like it's a bit round.
There is just too many things going on with this donut, and I think to myself, all of these elements are not happening.
So that's 4 layers. I'm extremely organized. I've planned out everything we need to do from the first minute the time starts.
So you're the high concept guy. First, you gave us a vegetarian bone marrow.
Yeah.
So now you're gonna give us the breakfast bagel. I noticed that all 3 of you are working on the bacon right now. Shouldn't you be doing other things as well?
Our game plan is solid. We need to rest the dough for 30 minutes, and during those 30 minutes, we have everything planned out.
Remember, okay? Get those sales.
Thank you, Chef Alvin.
Push really hard now.
As each team scrambles to make 200 donuts, a crowd of hungry dog owners has assembled.
Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing.
The home cooks only have 15 minutes left to fill, glaze, and decorate their donuts.
Are you ready for donuts? All right, let's go. Let's do this. Let's go, guys.
Now, the red team haven't even started to assemble donuts.
Okay, you know?
Okay, demo. We're still missing the yolks, and we're still missing another glaze.
Yeah, can you move that?
And we still have not seen a demo of what this donut needs to look like assembled. I knew this was gonna happen.
We have a very hungry crowd behind us.
I can tell you, right now, I see the green team, the table is full of donuts. I can see some going on in the blue team, nothing whatsoever on the red team. When I release the hounds, I can tell you one thing, they're gonna be in trouble. 1 minute, get those donuts out!
We decided to forego the yolk just because we don't have enough time.
Okay, Eugene, seriously, you should have had everything prepared for quality control.
Are you doing this?
Yes, I can
Okay,
do
pass
both.
it over.
Be nice, be kind.
I am so proud of my team right now. Becky recovered from that early mistake with the dough, and she's pounding out those donuts.
Can you run these up, please?
Okay, you're gonna need that big bowl here.
Eugene, we need tops.
All right, dogs, tell your owners to fetch now!
Who wants bacon?
Come on, everybody over to Team Red!
Bacon!
The dog lovers will now choose between the red team's play on a breakfast bagel with orange whipped cream and candied bacon.
Hi.
Morning.
How are you? Okay, Eugene.
The demand is there, and we're running out of donuts.
So we're gonna get you some fresh ones whipped up right here. Eugene, let's build these, buddy. Let's build these ones.
No, those ones are not good. Do not use those.
I see the lineup, and all I know is that we need to get these donuts done and ready and served to these people immediately.
We were told to come back and get the one that he likes the best.
Oh, it just happens to be this one.
This is amazing. Keep it going, keep it going.
After a costly delay in their assembly process, the red team is back in business.
We had some donuts put in the oil and got forgotten about. We'll taste them and make sure that they're not burnt.
And the bottom. Bottom. Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Okay.
There we go. All right, thank you so much. Hi, love your hair.
Thank you.
Which one do you like the best?
I chose the red team, and I think it's pretty fantastic.
I chose the red donut, and no, I'm not satisfied. It's not really a donut. It's more like a bagel.
Yeah, the red flavors they're really good, yeah.
Red donut is too sweet.
Blue team, green team, red team. Okay, service is